In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Branch app. So if you have been receiving a lot of pop-up notifications from Branch app, then let me show you how you can stop them permanently. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the Branch app information page. Now, to do this, go ahead and look for settings and then tap on settings. From here, proceed and look for the option called apps, and you can see apps is here. Under this, look for this option called manage apps or more apps depending on your smartphone. So for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, now proceed and look for your app. And as you can see, my Branch app is here. Proceed and tap on it to open. And now you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall do our settings. Now, if you're getting it hard to find this app information page, then let me show you a shortcut method you can use to get here. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you get your app, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. Scroll until you see this option called notifications. It is under permissions, as you can see here, and currently you can see it is turned to yes. So if I tap on it, you can see all types of notifications are turned on. So you can turn off any of these, or if you want to turn all of them, go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications to turn all the other types of notifications. From here, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications coming from your Branch app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.